What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Rough, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. So something I actually noticed yesterday is that YouTube did not send out any notifications for yesterday's video. So if you guys missed it, go ahead and check out my Steam It review. It is yesterday's video. Only a few people were able to watch the video because for some reason in the little notifications bar here, YouTube did not send out a notification for my video. So just to let you guys know, there was a video yesterday announcing that I do have a Steam It account that you guys can follow me on there, comment on my post every single day, and I will upvote your comments, allowing you to gain a little bit of Steam each day to grow your Steam account in value as just a way for me to give back to the community. So definitely go check it out, guys. My Steam review. Let's just look at a random question here. So Steven Torres says, finally got my Steam account to be registered. Can hardly wait to start supporting you on this new social media platform. It's also good to see Steam moving forward with finished products like Steemit and DTube. I feel like this is such an optimal way for new content creators to stay motivated and accrue income. Thank you again for the great fundamentals and information. You're welcome, Steven. I'm glad you're enjoying the channel, that you're learning from it, man, and that you're a part of the Steemit community. I encourage, if any of you are content creators of any kind, watch yesterday's video where I talk about how you can begin publishing your artwork, your music, your videos, and blogs on Steemit to hopefully start earning Steam income by posting your content. So definitely check out yesterday's video. So for today, I want to remind you guys all of the CryptoRuffian's Discord chat. There are a little over 1,000 of you guys subscribed to the YouTube, and it would be awesome to see you guys also on the Discord chat, where we have a good number of people starting to accrue and starting to have some daily content being posted on there with exchange updates, general updates, new ICOs coming out, a place for you to spam your links and other stuff. So the link is down below for you guys to check out the CryptoRuffian's Discord chat. Definitely come join us on there. Absolutely free to join, and just come be a part of the community. So today I actually want to pop over to the markets really quick and take a look at how things are going today, and I'm really thankful to see a lot of green. NEM has been booming. We see that now over $1 right now, up over $9 billion, up 23.46%. So we've seen a little bit of spike in NEM and a lot of other green in the different altcoins. Tron's finally green again, almost up to 7 cents. So we're starting to see a great turnaround, which is what my prediction was for the end of January. Now that these future contracts have ended, we see that the price of cryptocurrencies are going back up. So yesterday is when some of the future contracts ended. We see Bitcoin dipping down in the 10,000s. We see that dip here, but then it looks like we had a little bullish flag reset, setting a higher low than before, and now on our way up to make a new higher high. So definitely excited to see a turnaround in the Bitcoin market. Hopefully we see Bitcoin back over $12,000 here in the following day, heading back up to 13, 14, 15,000 is my hope in February. So definitely excited about these markets in the green today. Ethereum's back up and everything's just making little improvements up. So that's really cool as we see the market kind of flatlining a little bit now, hopefully going into a bullish run upwards here, ending January, heading into February. Another big announcement, guys, is Zook Coin just announced they're ending their ICO a little bit early. So right now they're in tranche of 4. So their coin is currently worth 65 cents. I'm currently holding 1,200 coins of the Zook Coin ICO, and they announced that tomorrow they're going to kick off their lending program in their exchange. So hopefully we're going to see the coin's value spike up over $1, even to a couple dollars tomorrow, as more interest is circulating around the Zook Coin exchange and lending program. So I'm really excited to see what's going to happen in 14 hours here. We can see there's about 500,000 coins left in tranche of 4, and there's still people actively buying the coin. So guys, right now the coin is sitting at 65 cents a coin, and I think by tomorrow we could even see that price double. At least that's my hope, is to see that price double and get up higher for the release of their exchange and lending program. So they did say that they're gonna burn the rest of the coins that are left over after tomorrow. So we're probably not gonna see it get to tranche of 5. So we're seeing about 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, a little over 5 million coins being burned, meaning that the circulating supply is going to be a lot lower than initially thought, meaning that this coin has the potential to spike up. So I'm definitely excited about that and the interest generated around Zook Coin. If we actually go to their investment page, which will be their lending page, we see 14 hours, 14 minutes until this kicks off, and the same with their exchange page here. Time till exchange launch, 14 hours, 13 minutes. So I'm definitely excited about these launching here in the next 14 hours. It's probably the biggest news that I'm involved with right now, and I'm hoping that I can flip some of these coins for a profit, as well as start lending at least something. I believe the initial lend is right around $50. So I want to hold most of my coins until the price really skyrockets and I watch the coin take off before I start getting too much into their lending. And I really want to get into the staking side of things for Zook Coin, but I may do an initial $50 lend just to try out their lending program to see what it's like and take the little bit of a risk there and try that out. So go ahead and check out Zook Coin, guys. There is a link below if you guys are interested in buying this ICO right now at 65 cents. So only a few hours left to buy at this price, and hopefully we will see a big increase in about 14 hours as this ICO ends. So definitely be around to check out the Zook Coin ICO, guys. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I wish you guys the luck. Remember, check out yesterday's video if you missed it. Really good in-depth review of Steemit, which is a new social media site for the Steem cryptocurrency. A way for you to start generating cryptocurrency is to go make a Steemit account, share your content on there, and be sure to upvote and comment on my posts in Steemit every single day, and I will upvote all of your comments, and hopefully other people will upvote your comments as well. And all that is explained in yesterday's video, so be sure to go check it out if you missed it, guys. And thank you so much for watching today's video, for being a part of the community. Head down and join the CryptoRuffian Discord chat as well, so you can further get involved in the community as we learn and grow together here in 2018. If you haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, like this video, and comment a question down below that I will answer hopefully in tomorrow's video. All right, guys, we will see you tomorrow.